In Django, I was supposed to be a slave. You know, I'm a slave in Django. And but when I first got to the set, you know, I'm not actually a slave. So when I got to the set, I'm Jamie Foxx reading the part of a slave. So I guess I was reading the part too cool or whatever. You know, I'm a slave. What's happening with it? I was too cool. And he ain't play. He pulled me in the room and says, you know what? I knew this was gonna happen. I knew it. I said, what's wrong? He said, you're too cool, bro. You're a slave. You're not some cool guy. I said, what you mean? He said, you come in with your Louis bag and your Range Rover that you drove here in. And he says, you're not gonna be able to do the character unless you let all of that go and be the slave. And I was like, damn, you know. And he was right. So the next day I came there and I didn't use a Range Rover. I was in a covered wagon.